back to another video. Just a quick one. I've just got a few bits that I want to show you. A couple of these bits I really want to use, so I thought before I use them I'll quickly show you. It's AliExpress and Amazon, and I've got a prize here that I won. Just finally turned up. No, it didn't just finally turn up. It turned up a few weeks ago. I won it at Christmas. But anyway, right, I'm going to start with AliExpress. Show you what I got. Look! It's a pink metallic one. How cute is that? I've never seen a pink one before. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look. It's pink metallic. I love it. I can't wait to use that. I've got gold, silver, black, white. But I haven't got a pink. Well, I have now. I love that. I love it. So cute. So I've got myself that. I've had some more stamping plates turn up. I just recently got quite a few stamping plates. I've had some more turn up. I'm still waiting on some more. So, this first one. These are all from this store on AliExpress called Picchu. So, I ordered this one. And it's like, yeah, you can see what it is. Now, the reason I got this was because recently there was a collab for Charlie's nail art and it was Abstract Love. And I haven't got the foggiest clue what Abstract was, let alone Abstract Love. So I didn't join in with that collab, but once I seen a load of pictures of Abstract nails and Abstract Love and all that, a lot of these came up. So I thought I'm going to grab one of them, and if it ever crops up again, I've got something. So that's what that is. Quite cool, isn't it? So we've got that one. Yeah, these are all from Picchu. Sorry, I didn't tell you the number as well. It's PYF034. Right, and this one is PYF021. And this is another Easter one. Looks like it's got scratches, but that's just on the blue film. It's all bunny wabbits. I love this carrot one here. That's cool. Yeah, that's cute. I like these three bunnies. I like it all. I like this bunny. Really cute little plate, that, isn't it? I like it. So we've got that one. Right, this one is PYF013. I like that. It's got flowers on it, butterflies. That's quite cute. I like that. Something a bit different. Not normally something I go for that, but yeah, I like it. So there's that one. This one is PYJ054. And this is all like, it's got zebra print, leopard print. I think that's a cow print, is it? This looks like snake skin and snake skin. And these, I didn't realise, I think this is a layering one. You stamp them dots, and then you stamp these ones on the outside. Same with this, same with that. But yeah, I really like that. I really like these as well, they're quite cool. Yeah, I like that one. Cool. Right, and lastly for the plates, we've got this one, and this one is PYJ033. This is a bit more of a Valentine's-y kind of nail plate. Yeah, it says the Happy Valentine's Day, but I like all these. I like this kissy lips. Yeah, that's a cute one. I could have done with that for Valentine's Day. But I think we all use hearts all year round, don't we? Yeah, that's cute. So that's my stamping plates. Right, I think everything else is Amazon now. So firstly, off Amazon, I've got these silicone tools. I've only got one silicone tool. And it's really good on one end, but the other end's really floppy. So I've got this set of 5, and it's all different shapes on each end. All different colour little stones inside them. So yeah, I really needed them. So I grabbed some of those. They were off Amazon. Right, also off Amazon, I've got this. It's Venalisa Jelly Builder Gel. And this colour is A07 and it's called Elegant Pink. I've not tried it yet. Oh yeah, I have. I've done a test nail because I had to review it, but I've not actually tried to build a nail out of it. So it says on it, builder gel, hard gel, jelly gel. And I haven't got a builder gel that's this kind of consistency. It's really, really like, let me open it. It's a really, really thick gel. It's not quite as hard gel, but it's not soft like a builder gel either. It's a really, really nice consistency actually. So I'm going to use that to try and build a set of nails. And that is a 50ml pot, so it's quite a big one as well. But I really, really liked the consistency of that and the colour. I really liked the colour. So I've got that to try as well. Right, also off Amazon, which I thought was really cool, I've got these Swatch Sticks, and look how they turned up, guys, in a nice little clip case. I've never seen Swatch Sticks in a little case like this. And it's these ones. I haven't got any of these. It's the ones that's got 3 tips on each stick. These kind of Swatch Sticks are brilliant for things like the Aurora powders, because I swatched them over a clear, a white and a black. So these would be perfect for swatching things like that you want to try over a clear, a white and a black. So yeah, I got them. I think there's 50 sticks in total, but there's 150 tips, if you know what I mean. There's 3 tips on each stick. So I thought they'd come in really handy. I'll probably put them Swatch Sticks in a bag and use this case for something else. But yeah, I thought that was really cool, coming in a case like that. So yeah, that was off Amazon as well. I'll leave links to everything in my description box anyway. Right, quickly, also off Amazon, I've got some of these Savvyland gel paints. I'll do a swatch video on these. So you get a gold, a silver, a black, a white, a red and a blue. This one's a set of 6. I think you can get these in a set of 12 as well. So, but yeah, I'll do a separate swatch video on them. I'm excited for them because I've only got a black and a white gel paint. I needed more gel paints. So yeah, I'm really happy with them gel paints. Right, the last 2 things I'm going to show you. I'm really excited. Right, this first one is, I'll leave a picture up on the screen. I'm going to do a review video on this. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. It's an e-file, and it's got a digital display touchscreen, and it comes with a foot pedal. I'll show you what colour I got. I'm not going to get into it today. I'm going to do a video on this. Look at the colour of this, guys. It's blue, but it's got like oh, it's not showing up on camera. It's got a holographic shimmer. You can't see the hollow on camera, but, and the handpiece is metallic blue as well. Really, really nice. It's a shame you can't see that holographic, but really excited for that. Yeah, and it's got a foot pedal. So I wanted an e-file. My e-file, it hasn't got a digital display, so I never know what revs it's, what speed it's on. Whereas with this, I'll be able to tell what speed it's on. So yeah, we'll take a look at that in another video. So we've got that. And lastly, like I said at the beginning of the video, I won this. It's a Makartt polygel kit. It's the House of Florists polygel kit, and it's got 12 colours. Yeah, I won this at Christmas in their 12 days of giveaways. I think I won day number 9. So let's have a quick nosy. Again, I will have to do a separate video on this. Because I don't want this video to be too long. Right, so it comes with some jewel bones in a nice little case, which I like. So that's all the colours. So it's the House of Florists kit. So all the polygels have got like flower names. So that's marigold, rose. What does that one say? Oh, gladiolus, lily of the valley, daisy, daffodil, chrysanthemum, iris, water lily, morning glory. Morning glory, is that a plant? I think when I think of morning glory, I think of something completely opposite to a flower. Something a lot more uglier than a flower. And then we've got poinsettias and carnation. And it comes with a top coat, a base coat, a file, and a fancy pants brush. So yeah, you all know I love my polygel, so I can't wait to get stuck into this and see what these colours are like. So yeah, I'm really excited to get that Makartt polygel kit swatched, see the colours, and then I can use it. Oh, I love this. I absolutely love this. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. I can get all this put away. These are the things I wanted to use. That's the reason I've done this video so quick, because I want to use these. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. Like I said, I will leave as many links as I can below. If I do miss anything out, just ask me. I'll happily find it for you. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit that bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.